Alright everybody, Michael Gamonal here with Gamonal Tutors, and I'm going over yesterday's question of the day. So I'm just going to read it out loud. The question is for arithmetic reasoning. So if you're having any trouble with the ASVAB, arithmetic reasoning is a pretty common sticking point for a lot of ASVAB students. So the question is, a woman has two bank accounts. One has $239 and awards 4% interest monthly. The other has $921 and awards 7% interest monthly. What will be the combined value of her two accounts at the end of the month? So this question is a little bit, it's pretty simple, it's straightforward, it's mathematically easy, but it's also mathematically tedious, right? You know that figuring out the answers to this, what is 4% of 239 and what is 7% of 921, that's going to take a little bit of time. So what you want to do is you actually want to start with the answers here. So answer A is 12,500. Answer B, $985.47. Answer C is $342.08. And answer D is going to be $1,327.63. So notice that I'm writing the cents up there pretty small, right? And the reason that I do that is because we're not so worried about the cents. We're estimating here, all right? We're trying to get through and get to the next question, all right? So what is 921 plus 239? Well, we round it, we'll say 920 and 240. So 920 plus 240 is equal to 240, 60. And then 2 plus 9 is 11. So we know it's going to be greater than that because we know interest adds on. So these interest values are going to increase the total amount. But we know it's not going to be a ton greater than that. So knowing that, which one's the most likely answer? D. All right, that saves us a ton of time, right? 342, that's less than this one, so that's definitely not it. 985, well, that's just a little more than this, but if we're combining these two, that one's out. And then $12,000, no way, that's way too much. So we're able to figure out, all right, the answer is probably D. Funny enough about this question is D isn't actually correct. If you go through and do 4% of $239 and 7% of 921, and then you add those to this total, you'll find that D isn't the exact answer. And this sort of thing happens all the time. So this may be like, oh shoot, mistake on a question, right? But this stuff can happen on the real ASVAB test all the time. So what you want to do is you want to give your best guess. Now, if this question was on the ASVAB test, this would definitely be the answer that is correct, even though it's not technically correct. All right? You have to choose an answer, so you want to choose the answer that makes the most sense. So this is all about the speed reading. One thing before we wrap, I want to mention decimals really quick. So if you were to go through and do the math here, for multiplication and division, decimals don't need to line up. But for addition and subtraction, they do. So here we go, 239 times 0.04. Now we know that percent means per 100, right? So that means out of 100. So what that means is 4 hundredths. That's why we write 0.04. Or 4 cents, right? If that makes it easier to remember. 4 cents per cent, same thing. So 4 times 9, 36. 4 times 3, 12, plus 3, 15. 4 times 2, 8, plus 1 is 9. All right, and now you count over the number of decimal places in the top. All right, so that's 2, so we're gonna count over 2. So 4% of 239 is $9.56. And then you have to add that back into the principal, the initial amount. So that's how percent and interest work. All right. Thanks for your time, guys. Good luck with the ASVAB. I hope everybody gets that military career that they want. If you're interested in working with me as a tutor, go ahead and click the link on this video, and we can get you started in the free 4-day ASVAB Domination program. All right, take care.